So you already know by the title what I'm finna make a video on. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get these Senegalese twists. And my bad if I mispronounce stuff in this video. Yeah, just bear with me. So everyone's been asking me like, how did you do these? These are so cute. Ooh. And I just decided to make a video because I kind of get tired of explaining it, so I can just link people this video. And it's actually really simple. It's actually really simple. So let me just show you guys. I have it in a ponytail now, a loose ponytail. It's not, it's just like I'm at home ponytail. It's not really a style ponytail, but I'll take it up since I'm gonna do it anyway. And really why I decided to do this video now is because one of my twists actually weren't as secure, so I took it out and decided to re-put it in. So I decided that this was a good time to show how I do them. So let me just take this out real quick. It's kind of difficult. Come on. Okay. Ooh, that thing fell. All right. So here are the twists, how they look like down. They're really long. They go down to like right here. See? And I can move it to the side. Whatever. And this is where my twist wasn't as secure, so I took it out. I had it wrapped around this one. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do these. So I wanted my twist extra long. So I'm gonna show you how I did that. So at my beauty supply, I wasn't able to, I don't even know if they sell them extra long, how I want them, but I wasn't able to find these twists extra long. So these are actually 2 twists combined. So let me take this apart. And I did get them the crochet loop, with the crochet loop. So they were already twisted. So pre-twisted with the crochet loop. And this is actually what I used. So I don't know how to pronounce this. The jumbo twist braid, the cancaline. I don't know how to pronounce it, but y'all know what it is. Cancaline and Senegalese. I actually still have some left that I didn't use. So the Senegalese cancaline jumbo twist, and I used the color, I think this darker color is a 4 or 2, and this lighter, where is that? The lighter color is this color right here, actually, the T1B/30. So yeah, so I just put the darker one first, and then I put the lighter one at the end because I want an ombre effect, you know, that little ombre effect. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is, I already have my hair parted, obviously, because my hair is already done. I didn't really spend too much time on parting because I wanted a more natural, messy look. I didn't really want it real clean, real slick. So I'm gonna grab the piece of my hair and I'm gonna put a rubber band. So before I didn't have a rubber band and it wasn't as secure, so that's why I'm putting a rubber band now. But you don't have to. I mean, without a rubber band makes it look more natural if that's the look you're going for. It's just this section is not a lot of hair, so of course it was gonna slip off. So I'm putting a rubber band this time. And you can also, you know, put the gel, whatever, if you want your hair to be more sleek, more slick. But as I said previously, I want a more natural look, messy look, so I'm not putting any gel on my hair. Just gonna do it how it is. And then what you're gonna do is you want to get one twist You're gonna want to unravel it. So just untwist it, because we're just gonna retwist it. It's probably an easier way to do this, but this is how I do it. So, oops. Oh, I just untwisted this really bad. Okay, so it's untwisted, you see? They're two apart. And then what you're just gonna do is, you're just gonna grab the stuff, and then first you're gonna start off as a braid. So you're gonna start off the twist as a braid. I find that makes the twist more secure as well. And I want my twist to be secure because I don't want to have to keep redoing them. So you're gonna start off as a braid. I'm sure you all know how to braid. So we're just gonna braid it. Your hair, your actual hair, the ponytail is a strand of the braid. So you know you need 3 strands. And then after you braid it for a little bit, you're just gonna begin twisting. So you're gonna put your ponytail, your little ponytail strand with one of the twist strands, and then you're gonna start twisting. But the thing is with this, you don't just twist them how they regularly will be. You twist as you twist. So let me show you. Okay, so my strand's right here. So you see this? I'm gonna twist as I twist. So I'm gonna twist it like that. Then I'm gonna twist it regularly. Then I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. Twist and twist like that. And you're just gonna keep doing that. And it looks small, but trust me, the twist is gonna puff out. You can do it as loose or as tight of a twist as you want it to. Just gonna go all the way to the bottom. And if you want the extra long, like I have, then this is what you're gonna do. You're just gonna twist the second twist into it. So that's my brother in the background. So this is what you want to make sure it's even. So let me make sure this is even with the adjacent twist. So this one is adjacent to that. Okay, so just gonna put it up higher like that because I want them to be even. I don't want them to be, you know. So I actually need to unravel a little bit. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it right here, unraveled as well. And then you're just gonna twist. You're not gonna start braiding because you can't, but, or maybe you can, but that's not how I do it. So you're just gonna twist extra hard in the beginning so it can, like, you know, be secure and don't like slide off of this twist. You're gonna twist extra hard. And we're still twisting as we twist. So we're gonna do double twist. I hope this is understandable because I don't know. Then I'm just gonna keep twisting that out. I don't know if I should show this or not. Okay, and I used a total of, I think, 5 packs of hair. Yeah, 5 packs of hair, and I didn't even use all 5 packs because I still have like stuff in here. There's a good amount in here. Probably like, I don't know, 5 or 6 twists in there. And I bought yeah. So I bought basically like 3 packs of the number 4 and like 2 packs of the blonde one, the T1B/30. So yeah. So just know when you're out buying that you're gonna need 2 twists per, like, I don't know, 2 twists per, you know what I'm trying to say, because they don't come extra long. Or if you can find some extra long, that's good as well. But I just didn't find any, so I had to buy you know, put 2 packs per whatever. And then this is how it looks. See, it didn't stay as tightly twisted as it was. It did come bigger, and that's how I want it. See? So yeah, that's how you do the Senegalese or Havana twist. They're interchangeable these days. And really, you could do this method for any twist, for braids. Not dreads though. Dreads is a different method. I actually have done dreads before, and if I get the hairstyle again, I'll do a tutorial. But yeah, so that's how I did my Senegalese twist. I used the Cankalon jumbo twist, Senegalese, 14-inch. If I didn't say the length, but I made it longer anyway by using the 2. So yeah, that's all. If you guys have any questions, you can comment down below. I'll try to answer them about how I did this. And thank you all for watching.